Good day, ma'am. In this video, we will present the output we made on what concept we create that links to the 8 intended learning outcome. These outputs are namely the Cayley's Tower and the Fidget Bracelet by Group 1. By the way, I am Mark Jones K. Dulyantes together with my group mates Neil Anyabesa, Giselle B. Pastor, Diana Simborio, and Jilaika May Guno. The intended learning outcomes are we have the ILO 2, illustrate the concept of function, one-to-one function, onto function, one-to-one correspondence, inverse of a function, and equivalence relations. ILO 8, we have construct and or complete Cayley's table for finite groups. ILO 9, illustrate the order of a group, order of an element, and the subgroup concept by producing examples and non-examples. ILO 16, transform permutations from array form to cycle form and the other way around. ILO 18, determine the order inverse product of permutation. ILO 20, we have explained the definition of a coset and illustrate through examples. ILO 26, explain the definition and significance of a normal subgroup. And ILO 32, explain the definition of a ring and subring and produce its examples.
This is a Cayley's table, inspired by the structure of a Tower of Hanoi. We call it the Cayley's Tower, which illustrates the result of combining elements under a group operation, providing a structured way to visualize group operations, permutations, inverse functions, ring theory, and functions and one-to-one function. To make this concept interactive and intuitive, we use a Tower of Hanoi inspired design where students can manipulate chips corresponding to different elements and their operations.
The interactive Cayley's Tower is made up of pegs with holes, each of which represents a group element or the outcomes of operation between elements, and these elements are indicated by numbered chips. To use the table, students choose two components from the group and execute an operation like addition or multiplication. To utilize this table over time, we designed this part and this part, a replaceable one. You can erase or simply erase the elements or change the operation and depending on the elements in a group that you want to input. This would be a great visualization of the intended learning outcomes it touches. For example, with group elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the operation or the binary operation that we will use is the addition. So we put addition here. Students would find the outcome of 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So we put the 3 chips here. This technique is repeated for other combinations, allowing students to construct the complete table interactively. Placing the chips allows students to witness the outcomes of mixing elements in real time, making the concept of group operations more apparent. This hands-on approach teaches students about the identity element, inverses, and other group features like commutativity and associativity. The interactive Cayley's table makes abstract group theory more tangible and interesting for students by allowing them to manipulate and visualize it directly.
The Fidget Bracelet. The Fidget Bracelet, it consists two interlinked rings. First one and then the second one. It can be transformed into various shapes. It provides a practical illustration of several mathematical concepts. These concepts include function, permutation, Cayley's tables, and ring theory. The bracelet's different configuration can be seen as element of a set, with transformation acting as a function that map one configuration to another in a one-to-one manner. This transformation can also be viewed as permutation, each with an inverse. An interactive Cayley's table inspired by Tower of Hanoi can help visualize this operation, allowing for hands-on exploration of groups operation. The set of configuration and transformation forms a ring-like structure with subsets closed under specific transformation considered as subgroups. By exploring cosets and normal subgroups, one can gain insights into the bracelet symmetry and invariant properties. This example connects abstract mathematical concept with a tangible object, enhancing the understanding of both.
So how to manipulate this Fridget bracelet? These rings can move independently. The two rings are linked together at one point to make the Fridget bracelet. This connection allows them to slide relatively to each other. To change the bracelet shape, you can fold and create new shapes and arrangement. Each fold represents a specific change or transformation of the bracelet configuration. These changes can be seen as mathematical functions or permutations that map one arrangement of the bracelet to another. So every transformation has an opposite action that can return the bracelet to its original shape. So ito na yung fold. This demonstrates the concept of inverse functions in mathematics, where an action can be undone to restore the original state. Manipulating the bracelet helps understand abstract mathematical ideas like functions and permutations. Rearranging the bracelet's states through folds. By physically folding and reshaping the bracelet, you can directly experience how abstract mathematical concepts like functions and permutations work. This hands-on approach bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application, making math more tangible and engaging.
The Fidget bracelets serve as a tangible tool to explore mathematical concepts like functions, permutations, and group theory, enhancing understanding through hands-on manipulation and visualization. By integrating the bracelet with interactive tools like Cayley's table and Tower of Hanoi's inspired structure, students can map configuration into group components and observe the effect of transformation in real time, deepening their comprehension on mathematical principles. This approach bridges the gap between theoretical mathematics and practical applications, fostering a holistic understanding, mathematical structures, and their relevance in complex system design.